Everyone is talking about OpenCode like it's the free cursor killer, but here's the truth nobody explains clearly. OpenCode itself is free, but depending on how you use it, you can still end up paying. So before you sign up, here's exactly what's free, what costs money, and whether it's actually worth it or not. So as you may know, OpenCode is an open source AI coding agent that works in your terminal or desktop app and or IDE. Think of it like an AI coding assistant similar to Cursor or Copilot, except it gives you way more flexibility. You can connect to models like Cloud, GPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, or Llama and stuff. And the biggest reason why developers are switching to it is that you're not locked in one subscription or one AI provider. So, is it actually free? Well, the answer is yes and also no. Let me explain. The OpenCode software itself is completely free and open source. That means the CLI is free, VS Code extension is free, the desktop app is free. But here's the catch. The AI models cost money. So if you connect OpenCode to paid APIs like Cloud or OpenAI, you still pay those providers for usage. But however, there are few ways how people can use OpenCode for free, like for free hosted models, local models with Olama, and temporary promotional free trials. So if you're a student or an indie hacker or a hobby developer or someone experimenting with AI coding tools, then OpenCode is honestly one of the best free options right now because you can start with almost zero cost. But if you're a professional developer shipping production apps daily, or you'll probably end up paying for better models eventually, just like every other AI coding tools. So the simple answer here I would say is that if you want a flexible open source AI coding tool with free ways to get started, then OpenCode is absolutely worth trying. But if you heard the completely unlimited free AI coding forever, that part is exaggerated.